In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter by height on Facebook dating. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have a Facebook dating account and then go to the Facebook dating section like this. Afterwards, please go to the top right and select on your profile icon, and then you want to press over here where it says dating preferences. Now, here is where things get incredibly important. You want to go over here and look for the section that says height range. And then from here, you're able to go ahead and set a minimum and a maximum as well. So this is where you're able to go ahead and adjust it to your liking. And then you can go ahead and set a maximum, and the maximum is all the way up to 7 feet or above. So that there's pretty interesting. And the minimum is 3 feet or below. So those are all important factors. You can go ahead and optimize it to your liking. Now, if you really want this to work, you also need to press on this setting that says, I'm most interested in people who match this preference. So you want to turn that on right over here. I do want to be transparent, results do vary significantly. Things such as where you're located also does play a factor, because if you live in a big place like New York City, for example, then you're going to see the best results because there's a lot of people. But if you live in like a smaller town or a place where there isn't that many people, then after a while, sometimes they could just run out of profiles and then suggest people who don't meet the preference. So if you're in a situation like that, just keep that in mind, that things like location and how many people are in your area also does play a factor. But nonetheless, this is still a pretty good option. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.